In this video, we're going to learn how to simplify 3 raised to 4 times 3 squared. We use the laws of exponent. Law use is product of powers. We have a raised to m times a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. We add their exponent. Again, we follow the laws of exponent. A raised to m times a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. Our given is 3 raised to 4 times 3 raised to n. We have the base 3 and exponent m, which is 4, exponent n, which is 2, equals, we copy the common base, which is 3, and then the exponent m, which is 4, plus n, which is 2, and we add the exponent 4 plus 2. Then we have 4 plus 2 is 6. So now we have 3 raised to 6. Now let's simplify 3 raised to 6. 3 raised to 6 meaning we multiply 3 6 times. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals. So therefore, 3 raised to 6 equals 729. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.